Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close look at the Decathlon QUECHUA camping sleeping bag ARPENAZ 15 degrees. So let's first take a look around the outside of the carry bag or pouch. So this camping sleeping bag is in the vedigris grey colour, and just giving you a look at its overall design and of course the outer pouch or bag. And taking a look up close at the label on the outer carry bag or pouch. So right there giving you those close-up details, and of course there are some specifications on the outer carry bag or pouch. So the ARPENAZ 15 degrees is suitable for low temperatures of down to 15 degrees Celsius or 59 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's the size or dimensions of the sleeping bag, measuring 190 centimeters long and 72 centimeters wide. And it can be twinned for more room by doubling up with another one of these ARPENAZ 15 degrees camping sleeping bags, and it does have a 5-year warranty. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up the bag by releasing the toggle and opening up that drawstring closure, and let's slide out the sleeping bag from it. And just to give you a look at the details of the carry bag or pouch, so the inner pouch labels, and details right there, so giving you a look up close of the product labels for this camping sleeping bags carry bag or pouch. Okay, so those are the details, and just giving you a look at the inside of it. So very light in weight, and you can see seems to be water resistant as well. Alright, just going to set that to the side for now as we move on to the main item itself, which is the camping sleeping bag ARPENAZ 15 degrees by Decathlon QUECHUA. So you can see this one is in the vedigris grey color. And let's turn it around so that we have the top on the left hand side, or the opening on the left hand side, and you can see the inside details as well. Let's take a look at it properly with it spread out as best I can. So taking a look at the zipper and the slider on it. So right there, the details up close. Of course, the fabric or textile and overall design. So it does have some artistic design to it, and sort of like a diagonal abstract geometric pattern, and right throughout front and back. And taking a close-up look at the zipper details as well. So right there, the zipper with the pull cord. So let's slide the slider right through, maybe just halfway for now, and giving you a look at the inside details. As you can see, that's where the grey is from this vedigris and grey colorway of this Decathlon QUECHUA camping sleeping bag, ARPENAZ 15 degrees. And to give you some sense of the size, just placing my hand on the inside of it. So grey on the inside and vedigris on the outside. Okay, so right there you can see the stitching details as well, with some quilting of this sleeping bag. So the outer details as well, we can see there is some quilting on the outer of this sleeping bag as well. So let's slide the slider right down along the zipper. It does have a very smooth action, and as you can hear right there, right throughout to the end, and giving you a look at the end details as well. So right there, the back of the slider along the zipper, and that's the front or top side. Okay, so right there, nice pull tab there, and of course we're seeing the product labels for the sleeping bag itself. And let's flip through them so you can see the details on them for the product information. Okay, and of course double-sided, and we can see the material details as well, which appear to be 100% polyester. And going through the rest of the labels and care instructions as well, of course. Okay, so that's the tags or product labels and care instructions, and right there just fanning it out and spreading it open, so as best I can right across the tabletop to give you some sense of its overall design. So very light in weight and puffy as well, so giving you a look at the kind of side view so you can see the thickness of the material, and of course the inside and the outer side of the sleeping bag, and of course the stitching details as well. It's right there, and the segments of quilting as well, with a somewhat irregular looking pattern, but nonetheless right there giving you a look at its overall details. And as I mentioned before, this sleeping bag can be doubled for more room, or twinned for more room, with another one stacking on top and zipping them together for more company or just more room for yourself. Okay, and there we go. So overall details of this Decathlon QUECHUA camping sleeping bag, ARPENAZ 15 degrees. Now let's zip it up so you can see very satisfying and smooth sliding action right there. And to give you some sense of, once again, the overall polyester construction of this sleeping bag. So just crushing it to give you some sense, once again, in a different way, of this sleeping bag. As you can see, once again, the opening right across, and the inside of it in grey, and the outside of it in vedigris. And as we saw earlier, that is the dimensions of the sleeping bag, measuring 72 centimeters wide or across and 190 centimeters long, or 1.9 meters long. So that's the Decathlon QUECHUA camping sleeping bag, ARPENAZ 15 degrees. Thanks for watching and happy sleeping!